In today's video, I'll teach you how to find new arrivals in NFL Shop. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in nflshop.com, press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of NFL Shop. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to find the new arrivals, for that what you have to do is hover over the more option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply find this option for new arrivals and click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to another interface. Now in this interface, you can see over here, you'll be able to see the hot new arrivals. You can also choose the teams if you want. Simply click on the team of your choice. Now you'll be able to find the new arrivals for that particular team over here. So like this, you'll be able to find the new arrivals in NFL Shop. So that is how you find new arrivals in NFL Shop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.